guy really just pulled up on me. Sheesh. Okay, okay. Oh my. It do be popping. You think the neighbors are gonna hate us though?
2 hours later.
I found out yesterday my passenger floorboard was soaked. Everything was wet from underneath the seat here all the way up. So I started looking up what could be the issue, and it turns out the AC line was clogged. So underneath, we were able to get, you should see it dripping over here. There was a film where the water drips out of the AC line, and it was clogging the water from escaping. So instead of it pushing out from under the car, there's another tube behind the center console here, and all the water was seeping out and under. So originally I thought it was this guy, but I think, I can't really get to it, but I think there's another one behind here. But as of right now, we have the AC blasting on max and no water. So we're gonna let it run for a second, just make sure it's not leaking again. But I'll see if I can get a angle of where that water is coming out of. So we took off the whole metal cover and the plastic cover, but looking back at it now, you probably can just remove the plastic cover. It's right over there. Instead of having to take off that metal one as well. But you can see it's leaking now. Yeah, so that little slit, I don't know if you guys can see it okay, but this is where your AC line drains out of underneath the car. So I guess it was just kind of clogged up. You can see that there's this bracket that connects your the exhaust part. So the downpipe's right there. This is your friendly exhaust. And if you just look up past that bracket on the inside, you'll see that's where it drains out of. So all we did was fish a hanger up there and wiggle it around, and a bunch of water came out, and the elbow piece separated, so you can actually drain everything out. So like I said before, I think just the plastic piece was covering, but when we put everything back together, we'll find out if you need to take that metal piece off too. But funny story, I started taking out this whole inside piece thinking that you know, it could somehow get behind the head unit. So I started disassembling everything, but turns out we didn't have to. So I'm gonna have to reassemble all this, which is fine. But yeah, more fun.
1 eternity later.
All right, so tonight we're gonna be going to a little bit of a park and chill. A little spontaneous on this one. I was about to go to sleep, but then I was like, you know what? Let's go out for a little bit. It's not too far. It should be pretty chill. I don't know how many people will be there. The post only had like 28 people going and 150 interested. So, and it also started at 8:30, and it's about like 9 o'clock right now. So we'll be there a little late on Dominican time. But yeah, we'll see what happens. The Supra is not leaking anymore on the inside. We were able to fix it earlier today, but I just got to monitor it, make sure it doesn't happen again. But yeah, let's go. Dang, who's that? Dang. It's actually a lot of people.
That's Supra. That's why I parked here.
That's a cool purple,
great.
yeah. With the gold rims.
I like the spotlights and all that.
Oh, his aim's so cool.
Oh yeah, so the shop is open. Oh, the guy's there. Here we go, say hi to him.
This is the shopper?
I just spent $1,000 with him. You better say hi.
He'd be like, I don't know you.
They send you the website?
Oh, this was the place.
Yeah, this is the place. Yeah.
Oh, track day mode? Wait, they got the, they have the shoes?
How small? The kid size 12.
What the? Do these do anything? Is there like a,
No, like your heel.
oh, it's just so you can
Heel
roll
toe.
off
Yeah,
the heel?
roll off the heel.
What is it, a Tour S?
Yeah, 1J.
It's a 1J?
It's a chaser.
Oh, it's basically a chaser?
It is a chaser. It just took off the emblem. I don't know why. I mean, Tour S is like the trim level, I think.
They don't, he's trying to be incognito. Dang, this was almost you right here. Right here, this was almost you.
I know.
You'd have been like, I need more power.
Oh, for sure. I would have sold it immediately.
Wait, I put something in the car. There we go. Oh, it was a lowered Supra. Oh, wait, this is,
What's his name? Yeah.
this is that one guy, no?
Yeah.
With the big turbo?
Yeah.
This is the, yeah, we talked to him before. This thing looks nice with the black.
Oh, look at the honeycomb wing.
Damn, he got money, huh?
Single filming.
This is the same guy, no?
Yeah. I don't know. With the custom turbo setup?
Maybe we're confusing it.
No, it's this guy.
Yeah, it's this guy. Damn, a little ISF.
Yeah, clean.
It's clean?
It's alright.
It's alright.
Need some trim black. Back to black.
Back to black. No, these are always.
Respect.
I just like how they last forever.
I know, dude.
They're like
2007. Look at it. Like, you can't tell that it's 2007-ish.
Hey, Isaiah, what do you think so far?
I think we got a good lineup.
Yeah.
They need to combine both exhausts to complete it.
That thing looked kind of sick. I don't know if you could. Let's see.
You can see it. Oh, it's not.
Yeah, you know, it's just like completely destroyed now.
Oh, it's fine. Honestly,
You let your girlfriend drive the car one
just...
time. Mike, what am I looking at?
It's a small block Chevy.
Alright, Mike, this is your people. What are you?
APR intake, catless downpipes. I don't know what brand, but yeah, it's twin turbo V6, 2.9 liter.
How much does it make?
Probably a 650.
At least the downpipes are easy to get to. I mean, it's
Well,
literally
that's probably to the engine. It's probably like making like the Hyundai.
that's the Hyundai.
The downpipes look so middle though.
Yeah,
I'm
they
used
look
to
so.
saying,
They look so
I'm
small.
used to saying that the SQ5s, the other single turbo one.
Yeah, well, that one has like where it's one pipe and it's
Yeah, but
fitted
now
to
it's like two. Yeah.
This is like two.
What if you single turbo swap?
It'd be less complicated.
Yeah.
Is that Dominic Toretto?
So how do you do this?
Alright, let's see. I don't know.
Oh, you have to stage. Okay. And then you let go.
Oh, you let go. Okay. Oh no! Run it back. Wait, run it back. Run it back. I didn't know that's how it works.
Right. I DQ'd.
0.3. 0.3. Yeah, you know you're talking to like a sweet killer.
No, I try to trick you out. I didn't know it started counting down. I tried to let go like I was not staging.
Yeah, you know it's easy to make excuses.
Bro, that's hard.
Pretty loud. Everyone flocks.
Turbo noise. I love the Supra. I don't know why. I just like love the old WRC.
The Subaru?
Super like old rally car. Like it's an EJ 22. EJ, I forget what it is. where he's going.
No, I missed it.
You're saying highway miles?
Yeah, what?
I'd call no prep paint job.
Miles are right.
Look at those bolts. Altezza.
Yeah, everyone.
Did he say my name?
Yeah. Oh wait, look, they're all out here.
They're gonna jump in the road.
Let's see. Jesus.
It needs the wheels from the RSX on here. It'd be mint.
The Graham lights?
Yeah, that'd be perfect for this car. Look, the brakes are even like
Yeah, the brakes are
nice and powder coated gold.
Yeah.
Not bad. Like it's like OEM plus.
damn. The paint, like, hella nice.
Yeah, get some OEM headlights, nice wheels, it'd be good.
Approved.
I'm not a fan. Approved. Hayabusa.
Hayabusa. Hayabusa. It's the Hayabusa. So, like, you saying we could beat it, right?
Ah.
I mean, we beat C8, so, like, we could beat the Hayabusa. Is that a RS6 right now? That's kind of cool.
S.
It must be a SQ5. Oh, it's for Sarah?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Her name's Sarah. I mean, their manual is cool.
They look pretty cool. It's crazy they make so much power on a 3-cylinder. Oh, you're coming in kind of hot. These kids are really running. Oh my!
They must be Honda owners. You know, not sponsored or anything, but gotta drink the
Smart
best.
Water?
You gotta drink the best to be the best.
Gotta hear it. Sheesh. Is that a Ferrari? Dang, let's see this interior.
Am I tuned? No.
Stock? Oh, okay. Stock. Makes sense. Makes sense.
It's an SUV.
Oh, it's an SUV. Is that family car? Sheesh. Cool little meet. But time to go home.